A young mother fell 25 feet to her death in front of her boyfriend and brother when she tried to climb into her flat after forgetting her keys, an inquest heard today. Simone Jarvis, 27, suffered fatal head injuries after falling from the first floor after brickwork underneath a windowsill gave way. A coroner heard how she had returned after a night out with a group of friends when the accident happened in the early hours of January the 14th. She realized she was locked out of her Georgian period flat in Redland, Bristol, and told her friends she had climbed in before. A coroner heard how Ms. Jarvis, pictured, had returned after a night out with her boyfriend and some friends when the accident happened in the early hours of January the 14th. One of Ms. Jarvis' pals gave her a leg up to reach an upper window, circled, but the brickwork gave way under her grasp and she fell to the ground and was knocked unconscious. One of her friends gave her a leg up to reach an upper window but the brickwork gave way under her grasp and she fell to the ground and was knocked unconscious. Another friend, Josh Harm, told the inquest in a statement that he warned the mother of one she shall be climbing the building. He said, "A neighbor let us into the building, but then Simone went back outside. I followed her out and saw someone helping Simone climb up the right-hand corner of the building. I shouted to her that she shall be climbing, then I heard one of our friends shouting Simone and turned to see the brickwork falling away." Her partner, Oliver Stedman, then called for an ambulance. PC Annette Coleman told Avon Coroner's Court that she arrived at the scene shortly after 4 a.m., by which time an ambulance was there. She described a number of people on the street outside the building in a large pool of blood in front of the stairs leading up to the main door of the building. The mother of one, left, realized she was locked out of her Georgian period flat in Redland, Bristol, and told her friends she had climbed in before. Right, flowers left at the scene. Ms. Jarvis is pictured with former boyfriend Christian Wiltshire, who called her a beautiful girl, inside and out. She said, "About 20 to 25 feet from ground level I could see a part of the windowsill was missing and appeared to have broken off. A female was on a stretcher being carried into the ambulance, she had fallen and was not breathing. Her boyfriend, Oliver Stedman, and her brother, Callum Lester, identified themselves to me. Both were very upset and wanted to come to the hospital. Callum kept saying she fell, and was not making much sense." The inquest heard that paramedics managed to restart Miss Jarvis' heart after she arrived at Bristol's Southmead Hospital. But she had suffered a devastating brain injury and no neurological intervention was possible. PC Annette Coleman told Avon Coroner's Court that she arrived at the scene shortly after 4 a.m., by which time an ambulance was there. Assistant Coroner Dr. Peter Harrowing recorded Simone's death as an accident, caused by traumatic brain injury. He said, "This was a tragic accident suffered while trying to gain entry to her flat, after she had been out enjoying herself with her boyfriend and other friends.